Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme on your Plex application using your smartphone. So first of all, open the Plex application on your device, whichever device you are using, and make sure that you're signed into your account. By default, the appearance or theme for Plex will turn out to be like this, a dark color. So if you want to change between that, all you need to do is to go to the top right corner from your home page and tap on the name initial or your profile icon. In the expanded menu, click on the Settings button. Under Settings, click on Experience, and you will see a theme option displayed underneath Experience tab. Tap on it. And as you can see that you can choose between dark or high contrast. If you select high contrast, then you'll notice a small bit of a difference between the theme, which will turn out to be a darker color than previous. So that is the only thing you can do when it comes to theme on Plex application. Choose whichever theme is comfortable for you according to your viewing experience, and that's it. That's how you easily change your theme on Plex application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.